Hello, good day, all my dear friends. Here, that's the 9-channel valve version E400 with hydraulic wrist. Yeah. So now I will show you how to open the top cover. So let's see the inside structure for this fine Mac. This top quality excavator, how is the inside structure? And also for future, if you need any troubleshooting, so that's also how to open it. First, we have the rear side counterweight. Yeah. So this counterweight only from bottom rear side have 6 big screws. Remove this counterweight, you can take it out. After counterweight is removed, we have this top cover. So we have first these two big cover, yeah, left and right. So for the left side, for example, open the door, and from left side, this one it was tilting up a little bit, push in. So from bottom left, 1, 2, 3, these 3 screws here. After remove, this is still holding there because here you also have, later we will see this one. It's under there. So you still have 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, holding the cooler. And also from top, you still have small screws that's holding. A minute. This one was inside, yeah. So on top, you still have 2 big screws, one here for locking, this frame with side cover together. These screws are under here. You have the plate. All these plate on top, 1, 2, 3 in the middle, all have to remove because on top this plate is blocking bottom other screws. Yeah. So 3 plate after remove, this. You can remove all the screws, then separate. So first, this one, after done, cooler lifting a little bit because it's only soft hose connection. And from this side, for removing, for right side also the door open. So it's only 2 screws from right side, 1, 2, screwdriver like this after remove from the side. This one after remove. Now left side also all done. So lifting a little bit left side side cover, remove, and this side is sliding out from rear, sliding out to rear like this because here we have this bar, it's blocking by the motor, so it's sliding out. Then all the top covers we already removed. We can see inside. So we have more. Here this is a plate at the bottom. So under the chassis, under the body plate. After this, only one round screw removed. We can see 3 motor pump ESC, 3 pump motor ESC and 1 rotation ESC. All these plugs can be removed from bottom. So at the forward of the oil tank, 4 screw removed, this cover can be removed. After that, inside here you can see there are 4 more screws. It's for holding this oil tank block. Also here have 2 more screws. After this is removed, the oil tank is, inside middle, it's metal connection to the valve block. The valve under there, the connection block is connecting metal to metal by big screws holding oil tank to valve block. And oil tank from bottom, here, under there we have frame. So if we need to remove the frame with oil tank, the frame is only holding by 1, 2, 3, 4 screws for the oil tank frame. So under the cabin, under the cooler, is one big electric board. So for checking the board, or remove the cabin, only under the cabin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. After these 5 screws remove, cabin can lift up, only wires plug connection remove can separate. This alloy block from rear to forward to connecting to oil tank. This block is connecting pump, 3 pump, all the valve, 9 valves, and also oil tank. So this block. Under this block, we can remove screws under there, and this block is with all the pump valves, oil tank. It can be unit remove. So on there, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screw remove. Oil tank frame, oil tank securing screws all removed. All these well block with oil tank can be lifted up, only remaining the wires connection and the soft oil hose connection. So here, this one, yeah, it's the cooler with 2 fans connected, was secured by left frame cover. So now after the cover removed, it's only remaining soft oil hose. Top soft oil hose, big size, yeah, it's low pressure. It's a return to oil tank. Bottom of this hose coming from the valve connecting block on there. So it's a return line coming to the cooler, circulating, cooling, then return back to oil tank. So after the oil dried, this is a quick connection here from oil tank. This one can be removed. This side also quick connection. This one quick connection. So after that removed, this so can be taken out directly. Only forward we have the fan wires connection go to the board, have plug on the cabin. So after this cooler removed, after cabin removed, we can see here under the cooler and the cabin, that's a main board. All the electric EIC for the motor and also the fan LED is all connected to this board with plug. So for maintenance, if you check, you need to check anything else. And this one, after remove, it's one part. Everything can see clearly because it's all unit, hydraulic unit. It's for easy maintenance. And also it's very smart design for this small body. So many functions combined together. Here, that's the 3 pump, check. Forward big arm, rear bucket, middle small arm. So 3 pump control separately for the 3 main function. And also for other small valve hydraulic tools also separate to 3 pump. So the oil supply is efficient and not influence each other. So the pump motor wires go to EIC under there, then go to under the well block connecting to here the main board. And for the well block, let's see the details. 3 pump all connecting to middle connecting alloy block, and on top connecting 3 big valve for big arm, small arm, and bucket. And again from the alloy block connecting small steel valve block, steel valve, small one, for all the functions of hydraulic wrist from there, and quick connection, also spare oil channel. So let's say here bucket pump connecting to small valve, and here connecting 1 pressure valve alloy block with pressure gauge. That's adjusting the pressure. Here have the needle inside and spring. Same. And you will see under there, for this small valve, you have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's two valve each in and out, nozzle connections. So now you may think it's not easy for fixing, but after bottom screws removed, all the block you can lift up, so it's very easy for maintenance as a unit. So for bucket, small arm, big arm, this big valve block for more oil supply because they have big cylinder for the main function. So with big holes, here are the nozzle 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. For the here, big arm is different, because this hole is more bigger because big arm have 2 cylinder. This hole is even bigger. And then go under there, you have a separate distribution block. So 2 holes, each one set separate to 2 for 2 cylinder oil supply for big arm. So on the big arm connection, there is for separating 1 hose to 2 to 4, for the big arm 2 cylinder. So on the well block, bottom we before showed the plate remove, we can remove the 4 EIC plug. On top we also can see 1, 2, 3 for the 3 pump, and number 4 forward is for the rotation motor. And after cabin removed, you will be able to see 2 more EIC connection leading on here for the rotation the slipper ring, yeah, go down to the two driven motor. So 2 more ESC under the cabin. So 9 channel valve. Let's see each channel valve. What is the function? This one big arm, this one small arm, this one bucket, and near the bucket here we have 2 more valve, 2 servo. So inside this one is for this one, for the forward small claw, and left one, this one is for the 2 cylinder tilting left and right, and which is connecting to the small arm valve under there the block. Inside middle one, that is for spare oil channel near the bucket. I will show you. Here, that's the spare oil channel, quick connection. Yeah, when the 2 nozzle push in, that's for future. One more tool attaching here, maybe for claw, maybe for cutter, we will see. Locked, and the spare oil channel nozzle locked. The middle left small valve, that's for self-cooling. Yeah, when we have the pump running at idle speed, speed pump all running. When I operating big arm, bucket, other functions, the cooling valve is not open. When I operating small arm, the cooling valve, left side cooling valve is open, so oil always free rotation, circulating for cooling. So this valve, left side, is mainly for cooling. Yeah, when you are not operating any function, or when you are operating small arm, it's always cooling. 2 more left. These 2 are for quick connection, quick lock. The left one is for on the hydraulic wrist, most forward one. Turn around, you will see. So the left valve is this one for locking or unlocking the final attachment. So unlock, and we have one more is in the middle. In the middle, small valve is for the arm quick connection for hydraulic wrist or changing different bucket. Now I need to crawl it back, so not to drop it. It's hooking like this position, yeah. Crawl back, and here, after I remove, you will see more clearly. Unlock. Sorry, reversed. Unlock it. Okay, now it's unlocked. That's the oil nozzle quick connection for the hydraulic wrist function and the spare function and this lock function. Now, turn around, let's see. This, how is locking, check. Crawling back more, you will see more clearly. This valve, locking will pushing down. Here 2 pin coming out will be locking. Locked. Unlock. And here we also have spare electric quick connection for future upgrades. Quick connection is here. This one. Don't worry, this oil a little bit, it's only from the nozzle after quick connection remaining a little bit of oil, yeah. And here under the wrist, we have more electric quick connection for future. Another attachment to hook up here for electric control. We have one spare 1 channel oil control and spare electric control. Well, thank you for watching my explanation about these models inside structure. So as you know, we Token Hobby, Oliver Hobby, always selling you the best models. Also, we stand behind our product and always doing the best our after-sale service. Thank you for trust. See you.